I'm thinking about you, ain't thinking about me, yeah. We can go around 2, we can go around 3, yeah. Wanna be only, say not so lonely. Yeah, I want you right now, girl, so let's get going.
My loves, long time no see. I know I've been gone for a while, but I needed a break. Like, honestly, I know I always take breaks, but I needed that. I was doing something for myself, so that's done, and now I am back. So yeah, I recorded this whole video, but I think someone deleted the first part of the video. I don't know who, because people were using my camera, and I think they deleted the first part. But anyway, this hair is from Longqi hair. Sorry for that break, I was thinking. And I was sent 2 bundles of 14 inches and a 14-inch lace frontal. 14 inches because I knew I wanted a bob for summer, like a nice cute side pop bob. So wanted it to be glueless, so yes, I made it into a glueless. Nobody got time to be gluing this lace frontal all the time. Okay, this will be like my everyday go-to summer hairstyle. That's what I'm gonna call it. So yeah, and because it's hot, nobody has time for long hair. I love my long hair, but I also like my bobs, you know. For summer, it's very cute, it's very easy. So if you guys want to know how I make my lace frontal wigs from start to finish, like detailed video, I have that. I will link that down below, or click one of the cards up here. You'll see it pop up right now. Click it and it will take you there. Okay, but I'm just showing you how I done it quickly. I'm going to show you mainly how I cut it and how I styled it. Okay, because I really wanted to show you from start to finish, but because that person, I don't know who, deleted that video or deleted that clip, I couldn't show you the whole thing. I'm so sorry, but next time I will do that just for you guys, because I love you. Literally. How your wig will look like once it's finished, and you want to take it off the mannequin's head and cut that extra fabric because you don't need it. You cut it, and then you will also have to cut your lace. I did mine off camera. I can't remember how I did it, on my head or on the wig head. I think it was on the wig head. So yeah, I forgot to record that. I'm so sorry, but yeah, I do have a video on how I cut my laces in one of my videos. I do cut it normally on my head. It's very easy. I don't know why most people are very scared to cut it by themselves, but it's really easy. Okay, once I was done with that, I used my hot comb, and this helped me create a flat line, my flat part, and just lay down my hair flawlessly. I used to use iron before. Thank God I found the hot comb. I saw a video from someone using the hot comb. I decided to go ahead and buy that as well. So yeah, it helped me save my iron for my clothes. But yeah, I was done. I took my clippers to cut my bob. I was going for that blunt cut bob, so that's what I did. It's very easy to use clippers, guys. It's easier than scissors, I find, and it just makes it look very flawless. And when you cut it, the lines are just so straight. Just want to see, it's really easy, than using scissors. So yeah, I prefer that anyway. Some people prefer scissors, but I really do prefer clippers. So that's done. So I'm gonna take my hair straighteners to straighten out the bob and curve it a little bit at the end, just to make it look very cute, like Bobby like. Yeah, and that's that, guys. For your wig to lay flat, make sure your natural hair is laying flat under your wig so that your wig lays flat, okay? So yeah, I didn't have to glue this lace wig, this lace frontal wig. I didn't have to glue it. As you guys can see, it's very nice. You can't tell that it's not glued, and you can't tell that it's not my hair. Do that part if you want to, but I didn't have to, so I didn't want to glue it. As you guys can see, it lays flat. I like my sideburn short, so I decided to cut it a little shorter. So yeah, guys, that's it. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. This hair is so flowy, just bouncy. Can you see that? What? That is really nice. And with 2 bundles and a frontal, you can achieve this. So let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe and like. Check out the description box for all information. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you soon.
Ain't thinking about me, yeah. We can go around 2, we can go around 3, yeah.